everywhere. We hashtag explore JPL. We are your space agency. We work for you. You should be taking advantage of that. That doesn't mean to take stuff. There we go. He commanded our Mars rover for 15 years. Very long gray hair in there. Thanks for coming by today. I'm just playing with it. I like that fun. That is an awesome hat. I have the exact same hat, and it would go very well with my ensemble. So says my wife. She doesn't have a sticker either. She said,
this year.
"Can you see Coral? Are you sure?" Oh, wow.
Hi, I'm Mel Mullins, an instrument operations engineer here at JPL. Welcome to JPL's Mission Control, a place we call the center of the universe. Why do we call it the center of the universe? Well, the Deep Space Network team sits here in the first two rows. 3 rotating teams keep the data flowing 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Did you know Armstrong's famous line,
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
This year, we're excited to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Apollo 11 and that historic moment. And we're very excited about NASA's new goal to send humans back to the moon by 2024. Today, our work in this room takes us far beyond the orbit of the...
Woohoo! Stickers! All right, so we're just gonna keep moving forward to those double doors. We'll see the photo gallery as well as the stickers.
Come here. You done? Okay, don't bite on it anymore then, okay?
Where they communicate with all the space centers and get all the data. Wow. So cool.
Thanks for coming, guys. Thanks for coming.
I feel like a little kid again.
Oh, okay.
I've been watching this forever.
All right, let's pull forward slowly here.
Good morning.
Good morning. Well, you never know.
You never know.
That's family of one. You do?
Laura, slow down, please.
Do you know what is this? No. So this building actually is supposed this space network. So this building is connected to a network of dishes in California. Spain and Australia. Okay. Those how we communicate with space space missions on the
Okay.
So we receive the data transmitted to those spacecrafts,
Okay.
and all this data will come to this. So then we get dispatched to the different mission controls. So from here we don't control specific missions except when they are landing.
Okay.
So you know that here, this is somewhere, people think it's